Hey guys, today I would like to show you guys how we can switch off the alert that comes when you are driving the new 2023 Verna. You might have heard this alert called children passing ahead. I know that it's actually very useful. I was assuming that it is coming from the ADAS, but it's actually not an ADAS feature. It actually is coming from the maps. It is coming from the navigation feature. I kind of find it annoying because there are quite a few times when there have been false alerts. So today I will show you how you can switch this feature completely off in your brand new 2023 Verna. Let's get started. Right, so as you can see here, once you switch on your car, you can go into settings option here. Under settings, you see the option of navigation, right? Go ahead and click that. Under navigation, you see this third option called alerts. If you click that, you have a sub menu called safety alerts. You have two further options called daytime and night. If you click on daytime, you will see that there are quite a few alerts that you can enable or disable. The children passing ahead alert comes from this particular alert that was turned on. It is called the school zone. So if you switch the school zone alert off, then you will stop receiving the alert called children passing ahead, right? I have switched it off in both daytime as well as night. You can also do that. And yes, this is kind of helpful for me. The reason being, there have been a lot of false alerts that I was getting on my drive every day. Hope this video was helpful, and do like this video, share and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.